Hello everyone. So today we are going to reflect on the experience of how I've been working as a team in this marketing project, and we are going to talk about how each team member served as a leader, how each team member supported each other, and we're also going to analyze a conflict we faced and how we solved it. So before we begin, let everyone start by introducing themselves, starting on my right.
Okay, my name is Ali Rakoze.
I'm Denise Osinaga.
And my name is Kenneth.
And Francis Agundiman.
And Hoxan Kahan. So as I'm going to start, how I served as a team leader, I first worked, my role was to work on the market part where I identified our customers, our competitors, and also uh, our target market. So I dealt with organization because I had to deal with all my team members to know who are we going to choose as our target market, who are we going to choose as our target customers, and also who are our competitors in our neighboring um, areas. So
Okay, thank you. My role was to serve in this group as a coordinator. I had to use communication skills in order to approach different group mates to ask them on the part they work on so that I can come up with the conclusion because I drafted also the conclusion.
Yeah, on my side, I had to try to work on executive summary, and I had to collect information from each of the members, because that is where we gather the information from making up the executive summary. So trying to communicate with every member of the team and try to get the information they included in the team, that is what that helped me to sketch out the executive summary. Thank you.
So my role was to work on the strategy, where I worked on the different marketing strategies the business will use. So I tried to be reliable in order to use the correct information to help the business move forward.
Okay, for me, I work on business challenge. Okay, I was just collecting data within our like our target customers, and reporting to my group mate, negotiating with them, like the what I collect from our customers and come together and like take some good solutions. Thank you.
so as we continue to reflect on how we work as a team during this marketing plan project, how did each one of us support each other? How we worked on that? How would you say you supported others?
Okay, for me, like to understand first of all deliverables, like we didn't understand all together at the same point the deliverables. So within our teamwork, like we used to share using even our language to explain to each other, like what are we required to do in this project.
So for those who were doing the summary, I helped them by giving them the information they needed, what I included in the strategy in order to help them draft the conclusion.
To add on what my teammates have been saying, to come up with all the deliverables that you wanted in this project, everyone had to work on some part of it. But then helping each other, because like on my part, it was not possible for me to sketch it out when I have no any information from the group members. So coming together and working as a team, communicating, then it really helped us to really come out with something which is great and smart.
Okay, on my part, as someone who worked on conclusions, so I had to wait others to finish their task. So I had to be there and help them. So giving my time to understand what they need so that I can have effective document to sum up and draft out the conclusion.
And I also believe that I was able to support my team members uh, by being straightforward. Like if there's something that was not working out, by telling them let's do this, not this, so that our marketing plan moves forward and really be effective at the end. So all of these we have been sharing were how we supported each other and how we were able to work as a team. But then we faced also a conflict as a team, and but we also managed to solve that conflict. So would you please share with us the conflict you faced as a team?
The conflict that we faced as a team was the time management. This is where we could collide in our schedules. We find one of the team members or the two of the team members are not available at the right time, which really caused a lot of delays in our work. But then we also found a way of overcoming that kind of challenge, which is trying to create a WhatsApp group so that we can always remind ourselves about the times that we're supposed to meet and work on our project. Thank you.
Okay, we face another challenge where we're collecting data because we are trying to our product to be the best one around our customer target, like the location we plan to set our product. So while collecting data, it wasn't easy to find the information we need for our customers, like our target customers. So that's another challenge. But we try to even the competitors, we go there and collect data from the competitors. So they didn't willing to give us information like that, but we explained them that it's a project we are doing, so that that's why they just give us but at the first time it wasn't easy for them to give us this information.
So adding to what Ali just said, so when we are collecting, when a team member was sent to collect data and you would fail to get it, it will be a conflict within us because you wouldn't deliver what you're asked to deliver on time. But we also managed to solve it by being patient with each other and waiting for the right decision. So this was a reflection of our team, how we work together, and we believe our project has been successful.
Yes. Thank you so much.